Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it is pretty windy, so I'm not too sure how the wind will affect the video on the camera, but we have the Z, T-tops are open, a few cool Mustangs are already here, and yeah, new addition to the Z is actually this Fair Lady Z sticker. Looks pretty cool. Stands out, makes the back end look a little nicer. But yeah, we'll wait for more cars to pull up and see what happens. So it's been a little bit of time. Last new music, but as you can see, completely packed lot again. Second time in a row. And in front of us is a pretty cool car. My buddy really wants one of these. I personally will take the Gallardo, but look at that. Lamborghini Murciélago. This is a convertible with a cream interior. The wings. Probably the coolest car in the lot. This thing is wicked. These little wings, really awesome. There's a good look at the interior. This is peak Lamborghini right here. Oh, I'm in the way of the Beamer. Now we'll go around and look at what else is here, but I definitely thought this deserved a little bit of spotlight. Really clean IS right here. Loving the yellow. Now you do got a few other cool cars that we'll check out later on. Hopefully when the music's a little quieter, because I don't want to have to go through copyright again, even though I probably will anyways. You do got a few cool cars in this corner. You got this really cool rat rod right here, and this nice Miata. And then you got another Z32 here. Mine, of course. And then you got this white one right here.
Yours? Oh, that's mine. Well, what is this? It's a 19...
It's been some time and music's a little quieter, so we can record. You got an Evo and a GC8. And an EF Civic, wow. Now this whole lot's pretty packed, so like there's kind of cars everywhere. So we're gonna have to just kind of like waddle around, see what cars are around. Pretty cool G35 here with clear taillights. It is starting to get chilly in Canada, so we are only looking at maybe like 2 more months of car meets. Pretty cool Evo right here. G35 with a drift bash bar. And yeah.
If it was just me.
Crossroad Price Fire. Oh, police are here. Police are here. Chevy Nova. Pretty cool. Well, it's not a surprise at all that the police are here. Fingers crossed they put the music down now. Got this really clean white Civic right here. Clear taillights on this. And yeah, mostly regular cars. Got a Subaru. Here you got this silver Prelude. Got this beautiful. Well, I was looking at the Porsche, saying beautiful. Got BMW i8. You got a Porsche right here, really clean Porsche. I have no idea what that is. Oh, he's going the other way. As I said, really cool Porsche right here. Nice red. Oh, you got 2 police. 3 police. 3 police cars. And then you got another police car thing rolling in. Another police officer rolling in. No, that's not even a police officer, I don't think. Because it's a gray one. Huh. Well, we'll see what happens now. Yeah, looks like we're getting shut out. We'll see what happens. One right there. Kinda see one. You kinda see one right there. And this one right there. Not sure if we're getting kicked out yet, but yeah. As you can see, the lot's been pretty cleared out. There's still a undercover cop there, and there's a charger somewhere here. But yeah, the meat did die out really quickly right when the cops showed up. So I don't think there's anything else really to look at. I mean, the whole lot's cleared completely. We did see that nice Mercy who left a bit ago. Kind of sucks that the music was turned off as the cops showed up, and everyone started leaving. So this video is going to be a little short, unfortunately. But yeah, cool to see a lot of nice cars again. Of course, my buddy's 300ZX there, the white one. The Mustang guys. And yeah, you got a GT500 and a Dodge Viper. Pretty cool Dodge Viper. And besides that, I mean, not much to look at. Everyone else is completely gone. So, yeah. I'll do a quick peek around, see if I can find anything else. Which I honestly doubt it. I did see a Rovelto roll into the lot, but I really doubt it. There's the 2 cop cars. There's the 2 cop cars right there. So, yeah, I don't think there's much else to look at. Yes, thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as all the support helps. And I'll see you guys in the next video.